Yo, what up, guys? So I just got the brand new Elite controller as a Christmas gift from the wife. She came in clutch with it. It was bought from GameStop for 150, which is not bad. And they offered me the same. We offered her the same warranty as Microsoft, and I registered with Microsoft as well, and I got extra warranty in it as well. So hell yeah. So yeah, it's the Elite Controller SE. So it's the newest model again. I haven't opened it. It's just was finishing up cracking these things up. They're a pain. So now let's unbox this thing. Let's open it. See what the heck it's going on here. Can't wait to take a look at it. So it still has the same functions as the Elite, the normal one, the black one. Um, Dude does the same thing. It's a badass controller. That's a little beast right there that I have for. That's my Xbox. I was playing some FIFA right now. Um, so yeah, everything still looks the same. Boxing, well, at least one looks a little bit different. I don't know. It's still badass though. This zip thing is made out a bit differently. Looks, feels cool. So there it is. Xbox. Let's see. Here, manuals. I assume it'll tell you how to set it up and all that stuff. I'm not gonna set it up right now. I'm gonna wait till later today, if not tomorrow, because you have to change every freaking button, and that's a hustle. Now, this is looks like the charger cable, which is pretty cool, and it should come with batteries too. Yeah, see, that's the cable. I'm not gonna. Oh fuck. Yeah, it's a pretty cool cable. Looks pretty aggressive. Pair of batteries. Hell yeah. Moment of the truth, guys. Time to open this bad boy right here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, man. That's freaking sick. Some extra paddles right there. It's the same, guys. Everything made out of steel, magnetic. See, they come off easily. They attach easily. Comes with the two modes. So if you're playing like right now, I'm playing FIFA. I could set it up for one profile for FIFA, and then I don't know, play Fortnite, play Call of Duty Black Ops 4, just change it to the other profile. This one though, you could have, I believe, to up to 120 profiles, so you could change it to whatever games. I only play like 3 games, man, so it's not gonna happen. Um, it is this. The Xbox thing. Uh, so yeah, it's pretty sick. Um, it goes here for 150 bucks, which I believe regular elite goes for like 100 and almost the same actually, 145 bucks, 100. $40. So that's still basically the same, but it's white. It's still everything magnetic, made out of steel. Uh, Everything inside of magnet. Buttons all white too. Pretty sick. So yeah, guys, it's the same as the black one, but white. It has better function because the black one would mess up on your paddles sometimes. And yeah, hopefully it works good. Like I said, I'm not gonna set it up right now. I'm just chilling. Um, but hopefully it works the best for some couple games, and we'll see what's up later on. I'll try to upload a video of it making the button change and all that stuff. So we'll see. All right, later.